Hello, my name is Glennceria and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Happy Vlogmas Day 15. We have a lot to do, guys. But before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you, I really do. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, let's start with the featured soap of today. The featured soap of today is Justice. Justice is made with coconut milk along with shea butter, organic shea butter, and Ed Hartley fragrance oil. Ed Hartley fragrance oil. And the name of this soap is Justice. Okay? It's a big bar. It's a big bar of soap. It comes in 5+ ounces. Almost 6. Some of them are 6 ounces. Nice big chunky bar soap. Justice. All right. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're doing great. Let's get these gloves on and let's get to moving. All right, let's talk for you. Look into eucalyptus and also rosemary. Or go back to some of my other videos. I have them listed down below. The benefits of essential oil. That would be the name of that video. And I'll get more into depth in that video about the benefits of essential oil. So, let me bring the camera down so we can get busy, okay? Okay, so what I have here, we're bringing in baking soda, citric acid. I have my butters, which is already melted. I have organic shea butter, organic mango butter, and organic cocoa butter in this, okay? Let's move our soap of the day over. We are also making Mother Earth, so I decided to use this mold and the diamond and gem mold, okay? The jewels and gems, whichever, you want to call it. And I'm going to put in some yellow, okay, sparkle mica, yellow gold sparkle mica. We're going to put some of that in and a little bit of just Epsom salt, okay? We want to keep it natural because I like it like that. Here's our essential oil. In here I have rosemary and eucalyptus. All right, so let's get it. Let's get going. Let me make sure I can use my hands. Okay, just making sure that it's all incorporated. There's no clumps. You don't want any clumps. I tell you. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, I love my YouTube family. And that is so true. I love my YouTube family. I really appreciate all of you. I really do. Taking the time out of your day, and coming and check out what I'm doing over here. Okay? And we're just going to place some in the bottom. Just a little bit. All it is Epsom salt. Place them in the bottom. Do it over here. I don't know how far it goes, but we'll see. What is going on? You finished your shopping? A lot of online shopping done, right? Or do you still go into the stores? Which one's is it? Comment down below. Do you do most of your Christmas shopping online, your holiday shopping? Or do you do it by going into the stores and touching and feeling the thing? As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but they're down at the bottom. Okay, guys? There you go. There you go. Just a little Epsom salt. Push this over to the side since we prepared that. Take our little sparkle. And we're going, you know how I do. I have my craft stick. It's not much. Let's bring the bowl back. See that? It's not much. And I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there. Just to give it a little touch of gold. Mother Earth. All right, keeping it nice and simple. Let's just mix that in a little bit. Now we're not gonna add all of this butters here because we have to do 2. We're gonna come back another day, probably tomorrow, and do Sunny Days, which is done with sweet orange oil. Okay, Sunny Days. We're gonna leave it like that. I think I wanna add a little more. Now, let's pour in. We need half of this. So I have to make sure that I measure this out correctly. All right, still got a little bit more to go. That's it. All right, now let's get this mixed in. I tell you, the butter smells so good. It doesn't even have the oils in it, and the butter smells so good in here. It's very slippery when you get in the tub, so you have to be careful when you use them. I also said that they're good for, they're excellent for pedicures. Dropping them into your pedicure water. All right. It gave it like a nice little gold tint. I like that. We're putting our essential oil directly in it. And let's get it all out. Matter of fact, I'm going to put some in there because I need to get all of that goodness out. It smells so good. So good. What's the quote of today? Well, I guess it's a statement, huh? I love my YouTube family. Really do. December 15th, Vlogmas. Wow. Crazy, right? Get the most of that out of here. Yeah, we want to get all that goodness out of there. There you go. We want it all, right? That's my famous song, right? We want it all. We want it all. We want it all. We want it all. Absolutely. Okay. Let's get this baby in. So let's move this over. Move this over. Let's get our trays in. And our molds. And let's get to packing, right? Absolutely. All I do is just spread it on and then pack them in. Distribute it evenly. And there we go. So the soap of the day is Justice. We made that soap. If you want to go back in the video and look at how that soap was made, the original name of that soap was Papi Chulo. Papi Chulo Messy Makeover. Okay? My first video ever, July 7th. That was the first video I made for YouTube. Papi Chulo's Messy Makeover. Makeover, so the makeover was, it's got a new makeover, a new look, a new name, and now it's Justice, okay? See, so I'm just packing it in, and pack it in good. Take your time, make sure it's in there good. You want a nice full truffle. There you go. And then you just keep going down until it's all finished and filled in. I have Mother Earth in an Artisan soap bar. I have Mother Earth in body butter. I have Mother Earth in shower steamers, which we'll be making soon. I don't know if it'll be the next thing we make. But yeah, we have to make shower steamers, guys. We have a lot of stuff to do. Lots and lots of things to do. All right. Pack it in there good. Make sure it's packed down there in there good. You want it packed. Okay? There you go. You want it also to be able to pick up that Epsom salt that we have at the bottom, okay? Very nice. And go back, take your time. There's no rush. Just take your time. Make sure you have your gloves on because it's a little abrasive. It will take your nail polish off. So please make sure you wear your gloves. Plus it's, you know, health reasons, sanitize reasons, you know. Especially if you're selling them. Always wear your gloves. Things are clean around you. All right, we have one more to do. Okay, I'm gonna just turn it around since I'm a righty. Do it like that. There you go. So do you see that one? Let's get the rest in here now. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, and just pack it in there. And bring it across. Trying to not to let too much go over to the side. Trying to catch it before it goes over. Trying to catch it. So what's in here again? Baking soda, citric acid, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, and organic mango butter, along with eucalyptus and rosemary essential oil. Okay, that's what's in here. All right, coming to the end of this. I don't know how far we're gonna make it. Okay, I just needed to mix that up. I think we're gonna fill it. It should be filled, the whole thing. Let's see. Or close to it. Let's see. Oh, we did great. Look at that. Perfect. As soon as I can get it in, right? As soon as I can get this in. Perfect. Well, we have a little one that could use more. Let's see. But I'd rather make sure these are full, nice and tight, packed in, compact in, guys. Make sure it's nice and tight. We're gonna let these sit. You can put them in your refrigerator. I'll just sit mine out for 24 hours. We're gonna come back, we're gonna unmold them, and then we're going to wrap them, label them, you know the drill, and get them ready to go into the Etsy shop, okay? And I'll show you how we're going to wrap them. Wow, that's great. Look at that. Perfect. Make sure I saw that was cracking. Okay. There was a little dent in that heart. I wanted to make sure that heart is filled. There we go. How do they look, guys? I think they look great. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let me clean up and I'll bring you right back. Let me show you them. So here they are. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so 24 hours. Let me bring you up so you can see me. Here we go. 24 hours, we will unmold, wrap, and label, okay? Mother Earth, we use gold sparkle mica, white Epsom salt, because it's already white. We also put in eucalyptus and rosemary as our essential oils. The name, Mother Earth Luxurious Moisturizing Bath Truffles. All right, and also our featured soap of today, Justice. Justice featured soap of today. Happy Vlogmas Day 15. Yay! We almost ready for Christmas. It's coming whether you're ready or not. Mwah! Love you from Glennceria Loving Hands. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.